Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pujita. I am a sustainability enthusiast, a practitioner. I also have a small business called Scrunch Up, which deals with fabric waste. I also have a small library, a lending library with autism help related books for parents who need more information on autism and how to deal with it. And I also teach people how to compost their food waste, and that's been pretty much what I do. And yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to show you what I'm doing for the Autism Family Library. That's the name of my library. And I'm going to set up this bookshelf with the books that I have. I always used to carry it in my suitcase or something, but I just cleared this shelf completely so I can arrange the books in this. So let's start arranging and let's get chatty about it. Ouch. Anyway, I changed the side of the camera a bit. So these are the books that I already have. Some are mine. Some are some of the people they started giving me books this time, and most of them are from a friend. I mean, from a mom. She just told me to if she wants me to take all the books, and I was so much more agreeing to it. I said yes, of course, and because she had to move, she was moving out of the country, and she had a lot of books related on autism, and she wanted me to make use of it for the community. It was back in 2018 that I she gave it to me, and since then it's not been regular. I can say I was not very regular about it, but I'm trying to be regular because the amount of books that I have here and the kind of books that I have here are just amazing. And I have things like these as well, like assessment logs. Like it's so helpful for a parent who's just starting the journey, right? And it's like it's so overwhelming when you come to know your child has got autism, and I've been there. So having these kind of books is just it helps the parents so much because see, if you see, there are couple of things on um, self stimulation, behaviors and stuff like that, which gets really overwhelming for a parent. These books are just amazing, and I'm so grateful that I got it so that it can be used for the community, right? I'm just trying to see which so oh, these are pretty big. I'm going to do one thing. I've got to probably give the big ones a sleeping thing here. These are all assessment logs and stuff like that, which are activity based and stuff. So these are very good. This personally, I got it for Arjun. This is a copy of the Autism Language Launcher by Kate C. Will. I didn't want to buy a book. I never, I never look for buying books. Um, I wanted to find this if this is there in any library or secondhand bookstores, but I walk into such places and I don't find, shockingly, I don't find any book on autism. Not even one. Forget these beautiful books. Not even one book. You don't have books for parents of special needs. They, you know, we can rely on internet source, but internet source is not everything. I mean, it's not going to be as authentic as a book of this kind, because These are books written by doctors and people who've done research, actual research on autism and other neurodevelopment disorders. So um, getting information from these books would be much better. Sorry, that was a long break for me. My phone storage had gone, and my son wanted something. Um, he was annoyed that I'm talking to a camera and not to him. Yeah. Anyway, so I was just talking about how important books are for parents rather than going to an internet source. Like I was just showing this when I didn't have storage. So this book is so well written by Dr. Robert Milello. He's a chiropractor, and he founded the Brain Balance program. So this is reconnected kids. So disconnected kids have a lot of exercises that you have to do, like to understand where the child lies. So you it gives the parents a little bit of help and a little bit of a understanding of what is exactly going inside, right? This is so good. This because food in general is very important for children with autism. I don't know how it's connected with children with autism, but it is generally true with our children because they easily get bloated, um, cannot digest the food. It becomes a little even more hard because they can't even tell us what is going on with them. So that's the reason why books such as Feast Without Yeast, it gives us recipes, actual recipes, how to give children food without any yeast, without any presence of yeast. These days, everything is covered with yeast. Pizza, burgers, I mean, anything. Not that I give my child those food. I give my child millets based food, just millets, like how you cook up a rice. So, but for parents who rely on these foods and the children who love these kind of foods, it is it's better for them to, for books like these where you'll understand what foods you can avoid, what foods you can give the child. So books like these, Complete Candida Yeast Guidebook. This is like it's Bible for some people. Just reminding about how important books actually are instead of online sources. So I think I've spoken enough. So I'll just fast forward this. Yeah, just doing one thing about this Autism Family Library. Um, I have got the set of the books that are still pending to be given back to me. So I just need to keep a note and remind them to give it back for Autism and God Connection. So what I have done is I have kept um, like two more, you know, yeah, two more POCs in around my area, like not around my area, around Dubai, who are very supportive in what I'm doing. And so what when I send a message out to everybody saying it's time to give the book back or something like that, I also give their numbers uh, to contact them if they are closer to their location, and they can return the book that way there. So yeah, so just trying. I have not got even one book till date. Yeah, I'm a little lenient that way. So I've not gotten even one book this till date. I'm doing it from 2018. So I have decided now, so I need to get the books back. So yeah, so I'm just writing it down. Um, who I have to contact and their numbers as well, so that yeah, so that I'll know who to contact and get it back from them. Yeah. So let's see. Um, let's fast forward this. All right, that's about my work in the Autism Family Library. Hope you liked my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Um, I'll try to release regular content in the space, and everything related to sustainability, my library, my small business on my small upcycling business as well. So see you again in the next video.